Ano to na sunga na tang mamona tibitongo. So na le buhono ibintilo na mamona kitugi. Ano to baba na sunga ko. Dile ko kortu to na ga mamoni bonwa. Ko bina bina to wale buna vidingomi na ingora biwa bonwa sama ingora biwa na sunga ko. Sa tabutia to na babila bina. The Chief Executive Officer of the Fiji Sports Council, Mr. Gilbert Walalambure, Chairman of the Fiji Sports Council, Mr. Penyasi Sukia, President of Tennis Fiji, Mr. Romeo Patel, representatives from Oceania Tennis Federation, representatives from Tennis Australia and Tennis New Zealand, coaches, managers, officials from our Pacific Island neighbors, our tennis champions, dedicated parents, ladies and gentlemen. I take this time to acknowledge and pay respect to the traditional owners of the land on which we are gathered. Australia Wisconnadangi, Amomonoti Vitongo, and the Vanua Bindilo. It gives me immense pride to stand here today delivering this keynote address on the opening of the 34th Pacific Oceania Junior Tennis Championships. We are gathered here at the beautiful regional tennis center in Lautoka, we call the Sugar City, set to embark on an exhilarating journey of competition that spans from April 2nd to the 11th, encompassing 10 days of thrilling matches, fierce determination, and the celebration of young athleticism. The significance of the championship. Today we welcome 15 remarkable teams from nations including Fiji, Samoa, American Samoa, the Solomon Islands, Tuvalu, Papua New Guinea, the Federated States of Micronesia, Nauru, Guam, the Northern Mariana Islands, Tonga, Vanuatu, the Cook Islands, New Caledonia, and Tahiti. This prestigious event is not merely a tournament. It represents a melting pot of cultures, aspirations, and dreams of our young athletes. The Pacific Oceania Junior Championship is the largest regional junior tournament creating an unparalleled opportunity for the most talented young tennis players from across our region to showcase their skills on an elevated stage. These championships recognize a cornerstone of junior tennis calendar, are organized by the Oceania Tennis Federation and supported by the International Tennis Federation. This collaboration is vital in advancing tennis in our region and it highlights the critical role this event plays in developing young talent and providing them with a unique platform for exposure and competition. It is a pathway to excellence. One of the most significant aspects of the Pacific Oceania Junior Championships is the opportunities it creates for our talented players to elevate their careers on the international stage. Outstanding performers in this tournament often receive invitations to ITF events worldwide, paving the way for broader competitions and the potential to secure scholarships or professional training opportunities. These tournaments serves as a launchpad for young dreams, nurturing not just athletes, but future leaders in the sport. The journey to this prestigious event began months ago in January, where regional qualifiers held across key locations in Samoa, in the east, Fiji in the west, and Guam in the north. These qualifiers were no small feat. They displayed the intense dedication, commitment, and remarkable talent within our youth. The fierce competition in these tournaments showcased the passion that our young athletes have for tennis, ensuring that only the most deserving made it to this main event. At this juncture, I would like to take a moment to emphasize the Fijian government's unwavering commitment to sports, including tennis. As we strive to place non-Tier 1 sports in the limelight, we take immense pride in being chosen yet again to host this significant tournament. The Fijian government recognizes sports as an essential part of our national identity and community spirit. We stand firmly behind our vision to enhance the support the development of not just tennis, but all sports in Fiji. It fills my heart with joy as I witness our homegrown talent competing alongside our esteemed Pacific neighbors in such large numbers. This camaraderie and participation reflect the spirit of unity and competition that embodies the Pacific region. Fiji has always been seen itself as both an international hub and a proud Pacific nation, and it is our duty to cultivate and showcase this identity through sports. As we look ahead, I want to assure you that we are deeply committed to the sport of tennis. We are working closely with the Fiji Sports Council and Tennis Fiji to enhance its presence in our nation. Our ongoing grassroots program aims to inspire and nurture young talent, ensuring a robust future for tennis in Fiji. High-level tournaments like these are crucial in elevating our sport, but it begins with the foundational work we do in our communities. I would like to take a moment to recognize and commend the exceptional dedication and visionary leadership of Mr. Gilbert Walalambure, the esteemed CEO, Fiji Sports Council. Sir, your unwavering commitment to the sport of tennis has been truly inspiring. Mr. Walalambure consistently invests his time, energy into advancing tennis in Fiji, ensuring that our athletes have the support and opportunity they need to thrive. Your contributions, sir, are invaluable, and we owe you a deep sense of gratitude for the pivotal role you play in nurturing our tennis community and fostering its growth. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the President of Tennis Fiji, Mr. Romel Patel, for his exemplary leadership and tireless commitment to our athletes. His dedication, along with that of hard-working committee, ensures that Fijian tennis remains a beacon of excellence in the Pacific. As we gear up for the matches ahead, my wish is for every player to seize this opportunity, embrace the spirit of sportsmanship, and strive for excellence. Remember, every match is a chance to learn, grow, and make lifelong memories. Compete with pride and passion, not just for yourselves, but for your families, your nations, and your region. In conclusion, let me officially declare that the 34th Pacific Oceania Junior Championships open. May this tournament be filled with thrilling matches, outstanding performances, and most importantly, a spirit of sportsmanship, camaraderie, and respect among all participants. Let the games begin. Thank you.